Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 10 daily use sentences that will help you to express your feelings. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is I am thinking about the people who inspire me. I am thinking about the people who inspire me. यानी मैं ऐसे लोगों के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ जो मुझे मुतासिर करते हैं. Second sentence is I am feeling happy today because it's my birthday. I am feeling happy today because it's my birthday. यानी मैं आज बहुत खुशी महसूस कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरी सालगिरह है. Third sentence is I am thinking about taking a leave next month. I am thinking about taking a leave next month. यानी मैं अगले महीने छुट्टी लेने का सोच रही हूँ. Fourth sentence is I am hoping to get a good grade on my English exam. I am hoping to get a good grade on my English exam. यानी मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं इंग्लिश के इम्तिहान में अच्छे ग्रेड्स हासिल कर लूँगी. Fifth sentence is I am feeling motivated after exercise. I am feeling motivated after exercise. यानी मैं वर्जिश करने के बाद खुद को मुतहर्रिक और सरगर्म महसूस कर रहा हूँ. Sixth sentence is I am thinking about the project that I have to complete. I am thinking about the project that I have to complete. यानी मैं अपने उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ जो मुझे मुकम्मल करना है. Seventh sentence is I am hoping to start a successful business. I am hoping to start a successful business. यानी मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं कामयाब कारोबार शुरू कर लूँगी. Eighth sentence is I am thinking about the conversation I had earlier. I am thinking about the conversation I had earlier. यानी मैं पहले होने वाली बातचीत के बारे में सोच रही हूँ. Ninth sentence is I feel happy after spending my time with my family. I feel happy after spending my time with my family. यानी मैं अपने खानदान के साथ वक्त गुजारकर खुशी महसूस करता हूँ. Tenth sentence is I was overjoyed when I heard the good news. I was overjoyed when I heard the good news. यानी जब मैंने अच्छी खबर सुनी तो मुझे बेहद खुशी महसूस हुई. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.